In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable autofill in Google Chrome on Windows 11 step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want Chrome to save your passwords, fill in payment details, and automatically complete your address information while you browse. It can save you time, reduce typing, and make everyday sign-ins and online forms much easier. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three vertical dots, which are your main menu. Click those dots to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage privacy, passwords, autofill, and more. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click Autofill and Passwords. This is the section where Chrome keeps all of its autofill options. Now let's start with passwords. Click Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome manages saved login information and password features. On the left side of the Password Manager page, click Settings. Here you'll see the password-related options that control how Chrome saves and fills in your credentials. The first setting you want to turn on is Offer to Save Passwords. Make sure this is enabled so Chrome can ask you if you want to save a password whenever you log into a website. This is helpful because it allows Chrome to remember your credentials for next time. Next, turn on Sign In Automatically. When this setting is enabled, Chrome can automatically sign you into websites using your saved passwords, so you don't have to select your account every single time. This makes logging in much faster and more convenient. Now go back to the previous Autofill and Password section and click Payments. This area controls your saved card information. Turn on Save and Fill Payment Methods. With this enabled, Chrome can store your payment details securely and fill them in automatically when you're checking out online. That's especially helpful if you shop frequently or make quick purchases. After that, go back again and click Contact Info. This is where Chrome manages address and personal information that can be filled into forms. Turn on Save and Fill Addresses. Once this is enabled, Chrome will be able to automatically complete shipping addresses, billing addresses, and other contact forms whenever needed. And that's it. You've now enabled autofill in Google Chrome on Windows 11 for passwords, payment methods, and contact information. From here on, Chrome will be much more helpful whenever you sign in or fill out forms online. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.